every January. Millions set out with high intentions. By February, silence. Today, we are not discussing willpower. We are discussing the structural mechanics of why goals fail and how to engineer a year that actually delivers results. Statistically, most resolutions are abandoned by the second week of January. This phenomenon, often called the January illusion, relies on temporary spike in dopamine that mimics progress but lacks the infrastructure for sustainability. The primary reason for failure is ambiguity. The brain cannot execute vague instructions. Get healthy is a wish. Zone to cardio for 30 minutes is a directive. Specificity drives execution. We simply forget our priorities amidst the noise of daily operations without visual cues and regular review mechanisms. Goal science follows the nature decay curve. Out of sight truly is out of mind. Winners and losers often have the same goals. The difference is the system. A goal is a singular event. A system is a recurring process. Shift your focus from the finish line to the daily workflow. Stop planning for a year. A year is too long for the human brain to prioritize effectively. Operate on a 12-week cycle. This creates urgency and allows for a whole new year within a single calendar year. We obsess over lag measures, results that have already happened. Instead, track lead measures, the specific, controllable actions you take daily that predict the result. Willpower is a finite resource. Environment is constant. Design your physical space to make good habits the path of least resistance and bad habits difficult to access. Perfection is impossible. Recovery is essential. Adapt the never miss twice rule. If you miss a day, the priority shifts immediately to not missing the second day. This prevents the compound decline of habits. Don't wait for next January. Start today. Define 3 lead measures. Schedule a weekly review on your calendar and audit your environment. Action clears the fog of anxiety. Thank you for investing your time in your own growth today. To help you drive deeper, I've curated a list of resources including my homepage, detailed articles on Notes, and my published ebooks. All links are in the description below. If you found value here, please subscribe. Let's continue this journey together. Thank you for listening.